In physics, first chapter is vector. Today we will start vector. Okay, today we will start vector. So, what do you know about vector? Tell me. You studied anywhere? I don't think in your 9th class you have, or 10th class. So today we will study vector. So vector. So look, physical quantity, okay, physical quantity is mainly of two types. Number one, vector. Number two, scalars. Okay, so physical quantity is mainly two types, vector and scalars. So in vector you have both your magnitude and direction. Okay, in vector you have both magnitude and direction, but in scalar you have only what? You have only magnitude. Okay, understand? You have only magnitude. Here examples are speed don't have any direction, only magnitude. Distance, and here you have example displacement, velocity. Written right fast. Understand till here? Okay, so next comes representation of vector. Representation of vector. So vector is represented by this arrow, where this part is called tail and this is called head. Okay, understand? Next, notation of vector. Notation of vector. How we can denote vector? So look, vector can be denoted capital letter, head arrow over it, or simply small letter also. and magnitude of vector is represented by magnitude of vector is represented by mod of or simply a. Okay, by this way we can represent the magnitude of vector. Okay, right. So now we will read types of vector. Types of vector. Number 1, equal vector. Okay, so 2 vector is equal vector. 2 vector is equal vector if and only if its direction and magnitude is equal. For example, let's say one vector is this, another vector is this. So these two vectors are equal if both have same direction and same magnitude. Okay, next, parallel vector. Parallel vector. So two vector A and B are said to be parallel vector if both have same direction. Okay, both have same direction, and one vector is scalar non-zero multiple of another vector. Means, look, scalar one vector is scalar non-zero multiple of another vector. Means, look, suppose that there is a vector A and another vector B, so both have same direction. Okay, so two vector A and B are said to be parallel if both have same direction and one is scalar multiple of other. Means, let's say vector A is lambda. Lambda is a scalar multiple of other vector. Okay, right. This is a very important concept. Okay, next comes collinear vector. Collinear vector. So when the vectors are under, if they have same base or same support, then that is called the collinear vector. Same base means, look, this is a base. Now one vector is this side, one vector is this side. Okay, one vector is also this side, vector A, vector B, vector C. So these are the collinear vector. Both have same support or same base. Now comes null vector or zero vector. null vector or yeah. So a vector having zero magnitude is called null vector. A vector having zero magnitude is called null vector. Right fast. A vector having zero magnitude and any arbitrary direction means there is no direction which is known to us or direction which is not known to us is called zero vector, and zero vector is represented by null vector is represented by 0 and over it is a arrow. Next, this is very important concept, unit vector. So look, unit vector. So unit vector has magnitude. Unit vector has magnitude is equal to 1. Direction is same as the given vector. Okay, right? Understand that unit vector has magnitude 1, number 1. Number 2, it has same direction. The direction of magnitude, the direction of unit vector is same as given vector. For example, let's say this is a vector A. Now unit vector of this, the direction of unit vector of vector A is same. How to find, now we'll study how to find unit vector of given vector. How to find unit vector of given vector. So look, suppose that there is a vector given, let's say A. Now you want to find unit vector of it. So what you can write? A is nothing but magnitude of A into direction of A. Okay. So this will come this side, and it will become part of A. So look, we got unit vector. So we got unit vector.